Apple's big AI reveal was supposed to revolutionize Siri, but instead, it's turning into one of the most embarrassing U-turns in Apple's history. What happened to Apple Intelligence? Why is Siri's future suddenly in question? Let's break it down. Welcome to our channel Eye2Future. Just a few months ago, Apple promised Apple Intelligence an ambitious AI system designed to give Siri a major boost. With smarter conversations, improved understanding, and real-time assistance, Siri was set to become the ultimate AI assistant. From generating creative text to summarizing emails and even editing your photos, Siri was supposed to finally match the likes of Google Assistant and ChatGPT. But here's where things went wrong. Apple quietly announced that Apple Intelligence for Siri would be delayed and in some regions even scrapped altogether. The question is, why? Insiders claim that Apple Intelligence's integration with Siri faced serious performance issues. During internal testing, users reported glitches, misunderstood command, and frustrating delays. Even Apple's employees reportedly found Siri's new AI model inconsistent, failing to deliver the smooth experience Apple is known for. But that's not all. Apple's commitment to on-device AI raised major privacy challenges. While Apple Intelligence promised to keep data secure, integrating those complex AI models directly into Siri proved far trickier than expected. Some experts suggest Apple rushed its AI announcement to stay competitive with OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft, but underestimated the complexity of merging these powerful AI features into Siri's outdated framework. And Apple fans aren't happy. Many were expecting Apple Intelligence to finally fix Siri's long-standing issues, but now they're left wondering if Siri will ever catch up to its rivals. Some users are calling this Apple's biggest tech blunder since Maps, while others say Apple should have partnered with OpenAI or Google for smarter AI features. So what's Apple's next move? Sources claim Apple is working on a major Siri overhaul for the iPhone 16 series, with a more stable version of Apple Intelligence arriving later this year. But will it be enough to win back frustrated users? What do you think? Is Apple's delay a smart move to get things right or a sign that Siri may never catch up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.